Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming site-level controls so you fix the root cause quickly. First, open Settings right arrow reading and make sure search engine visibility is unchecked. This removes the global Noindex. Next, inspect robots. TXT and any site-wide meta robots tag because those override individual pages. Finally, list active plugins that touch meta tags, SEO plugins, maintenance or privacy tools, and caching. Once you have those 3 checks done, you're ready to edit specific pages and plugin settings without guesswork. Now you audit pages and plugins to locate the explicit Noindex. Use your SEO plugin or view page source to find meta robots at the page or post level. If present, edit the post settings to remove Noindex. Then, open each SEO plugin's global and type level settings because they may force Noindex on posts, pages, archives, or author pages. Also search theme files and custom snippets for Noindex header, PHP, or functions. PHP can inject it. Once you remove the directive, clear caches and recheck. Finish by clearing every cache layer, plugin, server, and CDN so changes propagate. Then, in Google Search Console, request indexing with URL inspection and watch the live test to confirm the meta robot's value reads allow, not Noindex. Monitor for a few days because crawlers may take time. If the page still shows Noindex, inspect HTTP xrobots tag headers, ensure you aren't on a staging or password-protected site, and rerun the source search. One key troubleshooting tip: disable suspicious plugins temporarily to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.